in this tutorial today, I just want to show you how you are going to set up your uh, Agent Pro X limited edition version of our robot. And please follow the guidelines so that it can help you to set up your own robot. Okay, now this is MT4. You use the same thing that is applicable to MT4, applicable to MT5. So if you can install, follow the steps on MT4 and install it, definitely you should be able to install it on MT5 with the same, almost the same 100% steps. Okay, now the first thing is this is MT4 and this is a demo account, and I want to install it on this MT4. So the first thing I need to come to do is to come to open data folder. Then I need to uh, browse. I think I need to do the come to the Explorer, come to where I save my folder. When you download this folder from uh, Forex Agotech FET website, you need to know where you downloaded it to. So this is my MT4, this is my MT5 version. I've already downloaded. So I'll right click on this and I'll click copy from the direction. From the directory I downloaded it on my laptop or my PC. So I come to file on the MT4, I come to open data folder, then I come to MQL4, then I come to export. Actually, this is where I'm going to install my software, but I want to put it in a folder, then which I'm going to open a folder, and I'm going to call this folder Agent Pro X Limited Edition, and I'll open the folder and I paste it inside. Okay, you can see this the EE. The reason why I put it in a folder is if you are the one that want to use multiple version of our robot. So for you not to get mistaken, you must put them in the folder differently and label them differently. Okay, now that I've installed, I'm going to close this dialog box and I'm going to come to any of the, let's say I want to trade it on US shelf. Okay, I'll come to export, I'll right click, and I will look for Agent Pro, which is this, and I'll come here, I drag it to the website, to the chart I want to trade with it, come to common, I'll click allow live trading. If you don't click allow live trading, your robot will not trigger. Then I'll come to input. I will supply all this information from 1 to 3 information. I will supply it from the Forex Agotech platform. Then here, the lot type, we have a fix and we have a different type, but in most cases, I use Fibo. Okay. Then the distance for currency, please, we have different settings for currency, gold, and indices. So maybe if you want to trade on any of this, you need to contact the support from the website so that they can put you through. But in this tutorial, I'm going to do example for only currency. I'm trading USD shelf on H4. Then I want a situational buy. I'll use 500 points. 500 points is 50 pips for the dollar cost average. Then here, take profit in money. It depends on you. I want to use $2.50 as my take profit. Okay. Take profit, hide take profit. We don't need to hide it. We'll put it on our chart as TP, and we can hide it. If you want to hide it from the broker, you can make it to be true. Then the martingale level, yes, because we use dollar cost average plus martingale. So the martingale level is 99, okay? But out of this 99, you can still specify for the robot how many how many level out of this 99 level do you want the robot to be looking for $2.50. After that number of level, you want the robot to trigger emergency exit. Okay, so now out of this 99, I want to use 3 levels. That means I want the robot to try 0.01 with a profit of $2.50, another 0.01 with a profit of uh, $2.50. Then it went to 0.02 for the profit of $2.5, $2.50. And if I put it like that, immediately the robot moved to the 4th level. If the profit is not close at $2.50, we want to trigger emergency take profit. We can make it 5 cents, we can make it 10 cents, we can make it 50 cents, we can make it $1, and we can make it $2.50 also. That means we restrict the robot that it must take $2.50 from the market. Okay, but the reason why we did this is because we are some time market will trend for a very long time. We want a quick exit, so I normally use 0.05 because that is 5 cents. Immediately the robot get 5 cents from the market, it trip out your trade and close your trade at break even of 5 cents if it couldn't take option of $2.50. Okay, and the good thing about this robot is we are hiding the take profit level from your broker. Your broker will not see anything on your chart, because if you are trading with a broker that use bbook that hunt all your take profit and hunt all your stop loss, this is a very good strategy to hide away such from your broker. Okay, now let's move on. We want a security check. So we now tell the robot our maximum drawdown. In most cases, I use $5, 5%. That means if you have $500 in your account, immediately your float became $25. The robot will edge, and you're going to trim, rollover, or do price zone management to manage it. That's what we teach in our class. If you get our robot, please don't avoid our class, almost attend the class so that you can use you can understand the robots better than anyone. Okay, so now we did this, then we close. Okay, then everything has been set up apart from what you're supposed to get from your uh, Forex Agotech, which is your email, the token, and your client ID. All these 3 information are inside your Forex Agotech membership dashboard. Okay, so that is the only thing you're going to add. So now you know how to install and how to use your robot. I will do another video where I'm going to explain, because all this we are going to do it a preset that you can use if you are the type that you don't understand how to set up everything. You just call the preset and load it to your EA for EA to manage your account. All this must be done on VPS. Remember, if you want to learn how to set up free VPS, please check on your dashboard. There's a video there that will give you how to set up a VPS for 12 months without any payment. Okay, so now because I didn't put, if you click OK, it's going to if I click on another OK, it's going to give us error message because we didn't supply these 3 parameters. Okay, let's try that. You can see input your valid token because we don't put a token, but this is not a problem. This is what this video is going to cover for now. Until I do the second video, I will say best of luck. Thank you. Bye.